Alright, hey guys, I'm Alex from thetechnoclass.com, and we're kind of getting tired of all the iPhone 4S Siri hype, because most people think that Siri is actually the first virtual voice assistant that ever graced a smartphone. But we're going to show you a couple of alternatives for Android phones and in Windows Phone 7s. So stay tuned, we've got an intro coming up. Here we go. Alright guys, and we are back. So before we begin, I'm going to introduce you to the phones we have right here. This is the HTC Desire, the original one, running Cyanogen Mod 7.1. We replaced the stock Sense ROM, but all of the functionality should still be the same, even with Sense. This one in the middle is the Galaxy SL, which we unboxed a couple of weeks ago. This is an Android. This is running Android 2.2 right now, with the TouchWiz UI. And this one, if you haven't noticed, this is the HTC Radar, which we unboxed earlier, maybe a week ago or so. Alright, so we're gonna start with the HTC Desire here, and we actually didn't have to install any app on this one because Google pre-installs a voice recognition search button, search application on most phones. So to do this, you have to hit the search button and hold it, which is present on the HTC Desire. You'll notice that the Samsung SL doesn't have a search button, so you have to hold the menu button to do a search. Now, you have to press the microphone button here to do a voice search, which is not optimal. On phones with search buttons, you just hit search right there. What's the capital of India? And it shows up Google search for the capital of India. So it does mostly search, and it doesn't talk to you. So it's not technically a voice personality on your phone, but it does a lot of the things that you should need. What's the weather like in Manila? So in short, the Google voice search is a quick voice search that does the job for you, but it doesn't talk to you, or it also doesn't have a personality of its own. So that's about it for the Desire. Let's move on with the Galaxy SL. So on the Galaxy SL, we have a couple of apps installed here, which are more in line with the with a Siri-like application. So we have Lingo over there, Iris, and over here on the green icon is Speak to It Assistant. Now these have different attributes, so we're gonna look at them one by one. So let's start with Lingo. This is more like a phone interface turned into voice recognition software. It doesn't do so much as talk to you or have a personality, but it does a lot of tasks, and it does it really, really good. So for example, I want to send an email. Email John. Subject, I'm lost. Message, I don't know where I am. And there you go. As you can see, it's pretty good. It even got the subject right and everything. So this is probably one of the better apps out there for for voice to text recognition. You can do that with text messages as well, or even update your Facebook or Twitter, and it does it really well. Twitter, I'm updating my status with Vlingo. See? It even got everything right, including the Vlingo. So it recognizes weird words. All right. So aside from that, you can do get directions, open apps, get answers, update social networks. It can read your email to you when you're driving with the steering wheel icon there, and it's a pretty good voice recognition software slash assistant, but it doesn't actually talk to you that much. So that's it for Vlingo. Let's check out Iris. Now, in contrast, Iris is more of an personality assistant and gives you a lot of attitude when you're talking to it. So you can actually start conversations with it. Hi, Iris.
You asked hi, Iris. Hi there. Are you still located in Manila?
Yes.
You asked yes. Dude.
Awesome.
You asked awesome. I'm glad you liked it.
Do you still live in Dextera HQ?
You asked do you still live in Dexter XTHQ? Do I still? I am in Dexetra's computer in Dexetra HQ. Where are you?
I'm still in Manila.
You asked I'm still in Manila.
Oh, it's taking a while.
Tell me a little about your life in Manila.
Every day in the beach.
You asked everything, searching for everything beach.
Ah, damn it. All right, the last one for Android is called Speak to It Assistant.
Hello. If you're an Evernet user, I can connect directly to your account and save all your important notes there.
Yeah. What's the weather like?
The current weather for Quezon City is sunny, 88 degrees F, 31 degrees C.
What's your name?
It's Sam. At your service.
Thank you.
Sure thing.
Who's the president of the Philippines?
The presidency of Benigno Aquino III began at noon on June 30th, 2010, when he became the 15th president of the Philippines, succeeding Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Update my Twitter.
Just tell me what you would like to tweet.
Hey bros, what's up?
I'm about to send the following tweet. Hey Bruce, what's up? Is this right?
No.
No problem. I won't send that just yet.
See you later.
So long, Alex.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See, there you go. The Speak to It assistant is pretty good, but the voice recognition could use some work when you're doing status updates. It's like a little bit of Vlingo and a little bit of Iris. There's a bit of personality there, but some functionality from Vlingo. But Vlingo has some really good voice recognition software. It's just that, you know, you're not talking to somebody like you would with Siri. Anyway, that's it for Android phones. We're going to take a look at the Windows phone right now. So on a Windows phone, you got a limited amount of choices. You have one application and also one search application that is built in. So the built-in application is Bing Search, and you can do voice search from it. Just press the microphone button here. What's the capital of India? So you got that right, even if I messed it up. And there you go. It does a pretty good Bing search. You can also play music on detect music here. Let's try that. All right, so let's try the music recognition on the Windows Phone's Bing. So there you go. It got the Rickroll song. Alright. So as far as actual Windows Phone 7 apps go, you only have Ask Ziggy, which is kind of a good proof of concept. Who is the President of the United States?
The United States President Barack Obama. President Barack Obama. The chief of state of the head of state is.
Alright. That's sort of okay. When is a raven like a writing desk?
In reality, it is not a riddle at all, but a pseudo problem masquerading as a riddle. It's Carol's joke.
Wow, okay, I still don't get it. Anyway, did Luke Skywalker kill Darth Vader? I keep forgetting to press stop.
Yes, Luke Skywalker is Darth Vader's son, aka Anakin Skywalker. No, Luke did not kill Vader. Vader was killed by the Emperor. After chopping off Vader's hand in a lightsaber duel on the new Death Star, Luke realized he was going down the S.
Yeah, it was going down the S. That's what she said. Alright, so that's about it. Ask Ziggy is pretty good. We heard it's going to get an update soon. I would like for them to stop making me press the stop button. But it's got some good abstract thinking with this whole Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader thing. But that's about it. That's a quick look on your iPhone 4S Siri alternatives, with a bunch of them from Android and a couple from Windows Phone. Once again, the apps that you're looking for are Vlingo, Iris, and Speak to It Assistant, and on the Windows Phone is Ask Ziggy. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex from thetechnoclass.com.